Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Be Messy, and here on my channel I do all sorts of content ranging from skincare and beauty to organization and cleaning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on. Today we are doing a quick clean with me, and I am so excited to be sharing this video with all of you. Before I go ahead and get into the meat of the video, I thought I would share an inspirational quote for the day. The quote is, "Your excuses are nothing more than the lies your fears have sold you." What a great quote. I'm starting in the bedroom, just kind of tidying up in here, making the bed. I'm going to vacuum because Alice likes to lay here in the evening, and she collects a bunch of dog hair, so I cannot go one day without vacuuming in this room.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday.
I love keeping my apartment clean and tidy because I feel like if I let it go, my anxiety just spikes. Your home should be a safe place for you to be able to relax in and not have the outside world disrupting you. By keeping it tidy, I feel like my mind is focused and not stressed. No one wants to walk into a home that's a giant mess after a long day at work. Keeping up with daily chores help immensely to keeping the house clean.
I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you,
And you got me too.
we can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you. And you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
So I have started implementing daily cleaning stations, I guess I'll call it. And today's cleaning to do was dusting. So I don't do dusting every single day. I do it about once a week. And so that's what you're seeing here today. I'm not going to vacuum because, again, vacuuming is going to be tomorrow. But yeah, I just decided to go ahead and dust these blinds along with a side table.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside.
you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Catch me.